I bought and tested these products so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Hair thinning can be frustrating, and I've been there, searching for something that actually works. After trying numerous options, I'm excited to share my top 5 picks that promise thicker, healthier hair. Let's dive in. Product number 1. Purador Anti-Thinning Biotin Shampoo and Conditioner. From the moment I opened the Purador Anti-Thinning Biotin Shampoo and Conditioner set, I was greeted with a light, refreshing scent that immediately set a positive tone. I had been struggling with thinning hair for quite some time, and after reading about this product's clinically tested formula, I was eager to give it a shot. The duo is designed for both men and women, which I found appealing. As I began using the shampoo, I noticed it lathered softly, which was a welcome change from the sulfate-heavy shampoos I had used in the past. After rinsing, my hair felt clean but not stripped. It retained a sense of moisture, and that was a huge plus. The conditioner was a game changer. It glided through my hair effortlessly, detangling without the struggle. I left it on for a few minutes as recommended, and when I rinsed it out, my hair felt remarkably smoother. Over the course of a few weeks, I began to notice a difference. My hair appeared fuller and healthier, as if it had been revitalized from within. The combination of biotin, aloe vera, and argan oil really seemed to work wonders, nourishing my scalp and reducing breakage. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the pro side, this product is sulfate-free and contains no harsh chemicals, making it suitable for color-treated hair. I also love that it's rich in natural ingredients, which is something I'm very conscious about. However, on the con side, the price point might be a bit steep for some at $39.99, but considering the results, I think it's worth the investment. So, why should you buy this? If you're looking for a product that genuinely helps reduce hair thinning while promoting volume and strength, the Purador Shampoo and Conditioner set is a fantastic choice. Not only does it deliver on its promises, but it also provides a luxurious experience. I would highly recommend it to anyone serious about improving their hair health. Product number 2. Routine Wellness Anti-Thinning Shampoo and Conditioner Set, Coconut and Vanilla. When I stumbled upon the Routine Wellness Anti-Thinning Shampoo and Conditioner set, I was intrigued by its promise to combat thinning hair, especially with ingredients like biotin and saw palmetto. The moment I opened the bottles, I was enveloped by a delightful coconut and vanilla aroma that made my hair washing routine feel more like a tropical escape than a chore. I have to say, the scent alone is worth the price of admission. As I applied the shampoo, I noticed it had a creamy consistency that lathered nicely without being overly foamy, just the right balance. My hair felt clean yet nourished, which is often hard to find in anti-thinning products. After rinsing, I followed up with the conditioner, which was thick and rich. It took care of my tangles instantly and left my hair feeling incredibly soft. Over time, I noticed my strands felt stronger and appeared to have more volume, which was a massive confidence boost for me. In terms of pros and cons, the pros are definitely its natural ingredients and the delightful scent. I felt like I was pampering myself every time I used it. The fact that it's free from sulfates, parabens, and silicones made me feel good about what I was putting on my hair. On the downside, some users might find it a bit pricey at $49.99 for the set, but for the results, I believe it's worth every penny. So, why buy this product? If you're experiencing thinning hair and want a solution that not only works, but also feels luxurious, this Routine Wellness set is a solid option. It's a great blend of effective ingredients and a delightful experience that transforms your hair care routine into a treat. Product number 3. Routine Wellness Anti-Thinning Shampoo and Conditioner Set with Rose Hips. I decided to try the Routine Wellness Anti-Thinning Shampoo and Conditioner Set with Rose Hips after having such a great experience with their coconut version. The first thing that caught my attention was the beautiful packaging and the enticing scent of Rose Hips. It felt like I was unboxing a gift to myself, which is always a good start.
Knowing that this set was formulated to combat hair thinning and enhance volume gave me hope as I began my hair journey. Upon using the shampoo, I was pleasantly surprised by how well it cleansed my scalp without leaving it dry. It lathered beautifully, and I could feel it working its magic from the roots. The conditioner, rich in nutrients, felt like a protective layer against damage. After rinsing, my hair had a soft, silky texture, and I could see a noticeable difference in fullness after a few washes. My fine hair felt more substantial, and I no longer dreaded the sight of strands on my brush. Pros include the clean, effective formula and the pleasant scent that makes washing my hair feel like a spa experience. It's also great for all hair types, making it versatile for anyone. However, the price might be a little high for some at $49.99, but considering the quality and results, I think it's justified. So, why consider this product? If you're dealing with thinning hair and want to pamper yourself while addressing the issue, this routine wellness set is an excellent choice. It's not just about the effectiveness, it's about creating a joyful hair care ritual that uplifts your spirit. Product number 4. Marc Anthony Grow Long Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Marc Anthony's Grow Long Shampoo and Conditioner Set caught my eye not only for its affordability, but also for its promise to help with hair growth and strength. Priced at just $12.82, I thought, why not give it a shot? The moment I opened the bottles, I was greeted with a light and fresh aroma. It felt like a blend of invigorating ingredients, which I later found out included caffeine and ginseng, both known for their stimulating properties. Using the shampoo was a breeze. It lathered well and rinsed out easily, leaving my hair feeling clean but not stripped of moisture. I followed it up with the conditioner, which was surprisingly rich for a product at this price point. It left my hair feeling soft and manageable, which is often a tall order for those of us with damaged strands. After a few weeks of consistent use, I noticed my hair felt stronger and looked healthier, with less breakage when styling. On the pro side, this set is budget-friendly and effective, making it accessible for anyone looking to improve their hair health. I also appreciated that it's paraben-free and made with quality ingredients. On the con side, while it claims to help with hair growth, it doesn't literally grow new hair, so those expectations should be managed. So, why should you consider this product? If you're on a budget but still want effective hair care, Marc Anthony's Grow Long set is a fantastic option. It provides great value without compromising on quality, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to enhance their hair's strength and appearance.
Product number 5. Root Stem Hair Growth Shampoo and Conditioner Set. I was intrigued to try the Root Stem Hair Growth Shampoo and Conditioner Set, especially with its unique blend of botanical ingredients, including rosemary and biotin. The moment I opened the bottles, the tea tree herbal scent was invigorating, setting the stage for a fresh hair care experience. As someone who has always been keen on natural products, I was excited to see how this would perform on my thinning hair. Using the shampoo felt like a rejuvenating experience. It didn't just clean my hair, it felt like a treatment, thanks to the nourishing ingredients like ginger root and tea tree oil. The conditioner was thick and creamy, making it easy to work through my hair. After rinsing, my hair felt lighter, yet deeply conditioned. Over time, I noticed a significant improvement in my hair's density, and it seemed to have more life and bounce, which was a pleasant surprise. The pros of this product include its natural ingredients, making it a great choice for those who are ingredient conscious. It's versatile enough for all hair types and works effectively to enhance hair growth and strength. However, some users might find it slightly heavier than other shampoos, which could lead to a buildup if not rinsed thoroughly. So why should you buy this? If you're serious about thickening your hair and appreciate a product that harnesses the power of nature, the Root Stem set is a worthy investment. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about promoting healthy hair growth from the roots.